from Gaming and Website channel. So as I promised yesterday about Dream League Soccer, so today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins and players, as in legends of the games right now. So without any further ado, let's start. So first download the games Dream League Soccer 2019 from Play Store, then open. So yeah, I'm showing you right now. I'm opening my game. So ftg dot, yeah, so don't skip the videos, otherwise you won't understand what to do, because I don't have any, you know. So I'm, so this is the first, when you open the game for first time, you will come up in the interface like this. So no need to be, you know, you just need to choose a captain, do what the games suggest you. So play the first game, you can play it easily. Yep, then it will give you some information, as in which button does what. So skip this, you know, you should skip this, all the process, skill moves, then start match. Don't play the match, just quit. So it will make you lose this game, no problem. Then continue as you can, then do what the game suggests or says to you. Then it gives us 1000 starting bonus point. Here's a, take that, no problem. Now you can see my coins are only 1000. My coins are here, you can see it's 1000. And my team, I don't have any legends. Legends are those which you know, the cards are black in color. So I'll show you. So now what you have to do, like this. So I have Karim Benzema. So this one is a legend, you can see it's rating it also 100. So it has Hazard, so Benzema, Messi, Hazard, Van Dijk, and I actually don't know others. So okay, so we are going to start now. What to do, what you want to do is quit the game, remove it from uh, recently opened app. Then you just need to download profile dat. You need to download profile dat from Google. I'll give you let's say link to the profile dat down in the description. So see, here is my download, here is, I'll, so this is my profile dat. So now what I have to do is, or what you have to do is, after downloading profile dat, it is in download, yeah, select it and press move. You need to press move, and then to my device, then you need to go to Android. Here you can see, here is Android. You want to press Android, then after Android go to data, and there is First Touch Games DLS3. You can see it appears to be on first. After pressing on, or after clicking on First Touch, go to files, then here it has its own profile dat. You can see the players, then place it here. After you place the it will come this interface. File name is in use, the file name profile dat is already using, because that profile dat was already in game, you know. So just replace it, no need to do anything, replace it. After that, go open your game again. So now I'll show you what happens. It's very simple method, you know. You can do whatever you want, you can get. After that, so here it is. Now you can watch, I had 1000 coins before. See, now I don't know how much it is, but I had let's say at first I had 99 something like that, but it's okay. Now you have this much, and you can see add mostly everything you want. So yeah, all are legends here. Only one is not legend that I bought, so you will get this one. Two are that I bought from let's say they are from transfers. So yeah, I have 5 stars, and you can also before in my last videos I showed you how to change your logo, so I'm showing you again. So I am doing it this one. Let's see, this one is better. So I'm going, yeah, and my kit is one is of Juventus, so I try to recreate jersey of Juventus, and another is of Barcelona. So I this is not the downloaded one, I just recreated it. So yeah, so this is how you get coins and players in Dream League Soccer. So for more videos like this, you just need to download the you just need to subscribe my channel, push the bell icon, and like my videos, and comment down next time which game you want to do, or which game you want to get more money. So I'm ending this video right here. So I'll give the link to the profile dat in the description below. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below. So until next time, bye guys.